Welcome to this video on how to decode resistor color codes. This is a fundamental skill for anyone getting started in electronics. The problem is that resistors are too small for printed text. The solution is using colored bands to represent the resistance value in ohms, along with a multiplier and tolerance. Step 1 is finding the reading direction. Look for the gap, or find the gold or silver band, which is the tolerance band. Keep this band on the right side and always read from left to right. The first digits are represented by a color code where black is 0, brown is 1, red is 2, and so on, up to white, which is 9. The multiplier band tells you how many zeros to add to the first digits. For example, a brown band means you multiply by 10 or add 1 zero. The tolerance band tells you how exact the resistor is. Gold represents plus or minus 5%, and silver represents plus or minus 10%. For a 4-band resistor, the first band is the first digit, the second band is the second digit, the third band is the multiplier, and the fourth band is the tolerance. Let's look at an example. A resistor with red, violet, brown, and gold bands. Red is 2, violet is 7, and brown is a multiplier of 10. The value is 27 times 10, or 270 ohms, plus or minus 5%. For a resistor with yellow, violet, orange, and gold bands, the digits are 4 and 7, and the multiplier is 1000. The value is 47,000 ohms, or 47 kilo ohms, plus or minus 5%. The 5-band high-precision resistor adds an extra significant digit. It has a third digit, followed by the multiplier and the tolerance. A 5-band resistor with brown, black, black, red, and brown bands translates to 100 times 100, which is 10,000 ohms, or 10k ohms, plus or minus 1%. A common memory trick to remember the color code order is using the phrase, "better be ready, or your great big venture goes west." This corresponds to the colors black through white and digits 0 through 9. Let's practice. What is the resistance of a resistor with brown, black, orange, and gold bands? The result is 10k ohms, plus or minus 5%. If the colors are faded, do not guess the value. Resistor bands can fade from heat or age. Confirm the final resistance using a multimeter for accuracy.